roads are blocked.
But, young man, you don't understand. My bird and cat are up there in my cabin. They'll starve.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, flibbity-gibbet. I just gotta get up there.
The recent blizzard has snowbound the mountain areas. The State Highway Patrol reports that all roads to the mountains may be closed for 6 weeks. 6 weeks? I'll starve! Birdseed? Seed?
Hey, Putty Dad, I found lots of food. We don't have to worry, Putty. There's enough food for a long time.
I'm a cat. I've got to have cat food.
Oh, poor Putty Cat. We got to find something for you to eat. Let's see, what do Putty Cats like to eat?
Well, let's see. There's liver, and there's fish, and there's.
And then there's what, Putty? What else is there?
Never mind. I got it solved.
A tailboat?
Yeah. How'd you like to go sailing, kiddo?
Ooh, doody, I love sailing. Over the sea, west domain. We're coming right off again. And nobody knows where or when. We're coming right off for home again. Gee, it's awfully hot in here, Putty.
But of course. You're sailing the South Seas.
Ooh, what a terrible tropical storm.
I'm starving. I gotta have food. I forgot what food looks like. Food!
The poor Putty is worried about me. He think I went down with a ship.
Ow! And how would you like to go skating?
Skating? Ooh, doody, I love skating.
Here you are, my little feathered friend. Start skating.